This episode of the Weekly Iron is brought to you by Blue Diamond Attachments. Reach and clear more with the Blue Diamond swing arm brush cutter attachment for skid steer and compact track loaders. Purchase a new swing arm brush cutter attachment in December and get a free set of replacement blades. Learn more at BlueDiamondAttachments.com. Welcome to the Weekly Iron for Tuesday, December 9th. What do you know about equipment as a service, and would you consider it? Frank Raison caught up with David Noose of Volvo Construction Equipment about this pay-per-use package for equipment. This usage-based service contract covers the expected use of a fleet over a long term. Check out this article to learn more about pros and cons, ideal job types, fleet sizes, and more. Let's transition to a historical piece from archivist Tom Berry in his latest installment from the Historical Construction Equipment Association about mixer mobile concrete equipment. Check out the story to see photos of some fascinating machines from the last century. Lastly, in acquisition news, Stellar will acquire Elliott Equipment Company, a maker of truck-mounted aerial platforms, digger derricks, and cranes. The deal is expected to be wrapped up in the first quarter of next year. That's it for today. Thanks so much for joining us. We'll see you on Friday for the next episode of the Weekly Iron. Have a great week, everyone.